because...
Hold on. Would you like to tell me why you're doing this?
Sure, why not?
Go ahead. Tell me.
I'm here because it's important to stand side. I'm here because it's important to stand side by side with my sisters and brothers here in the struggle against what the Dominican government is doing. The Dominican government is denationalizing and deporting hundreds of thousands of Dominicans of Haitian descent and Haitians. And that's a disgrace. My parents are Dominican, and it's a complete injustice what's happening, and I feel this very disgraceful of being Dominican, because that's not the country I thought I was affiliated to. You know, they're set to be like 60,000 children that are set to be deported. You know, these are children that were, for all intents and purposes, were born on Dominican soil. You know, they don't know anything about Haiti. They know, they identify with the Dominican Republic, with the soil that they literally grew up on and literally were born in. What's going on is a complete injustice, and I think it's important for us out here in the diaspora to do something about it. Because there's people doing stuff in the island.
Right, on the ground.
And it's important to expand that.
Correct. Well, do you have a link where people can get in touch with you? Because you're an organizer, is that correct?
Right.
Okay. Where can they get in touch with you?
They can get in touch with me through various links. We are all Dominican. Black Lives Matter in the Dominican Republic Coalition. We have a Facebook page, everything. So
You have a link for them on the Facebook page, you know?
Yeah, we have a Facebook.
Okay, so which one is that? Which one would they be able to get?
Well,
On the Facebook page.
on the Facebook page.
All right, so but give it to them.
Well, I don't know the link.
But what's the name?
Black Lives Matter in the Dominican Republic.
Awesome. That's great. Thanks a lot, man.
Fuck, man.